The lead time and the supply chain is so much different now after COVID what it was before, because so much has happened and the line has just been piling up. And so I think more people is looking to move production at home. If you can say to the customer, like, I know you cannot get this part from anywhere in Sweden faster than 8 weeks, but I can give you that part because I can do it myself. So it's a game changer for sales and everything, and support and service, to be able to say that I have a machine that we can actually do these parts ourselves. Even though companies that you don't think will have CNC machines, they will be able to have CNC machines. They just need to see what they can do with the machines and how much you can do with a CNC machine.